So the other night I was working and a little disaster happened here. So this pin, first of all, this is very stupid design. This is supposed to hold this thing, this pin, from coming out, because this is supposed to be here. But as you see, it's bended and it was not holding, so I came up with this solution, and it was holding till it was not. So let's take a look what happened. So this came out, as you see, again because it's stupid design, Kubota. And look what it cost, because, well, I had that tool on, grapples, and weight of it, because I raised it up, and all this came down crushing on this, breaking this, misplacing hood inside. I hope nothing is damaged, because when that happened, tractor still was running, so I don't see any, well, at least heavy leakage. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is fresh. Shit. Well, this might be coming from here. Yeah, I found it. So it's coming from here. So this is not biggie. Well, it's high pressure. If it's, well, it's not biggie. I can probably change that, but what am I gonna do with this? I cannot. So there's some parts probably are banged. I don't know, man. For simple thing like this, I mean, that pin doesn't have pin from the back, so it's moving forward. I don't know why would Kubota design something like that, but then again, like, I'm sure they're not stupid in Kubota, right? They're world-known company, yet this kind of stupidity, I don't know, is it just on my tractor? Because it makes no sense. This thing supposed to handle like digging and stuff, right, with the bucket. So this should be like really strong, but as I showed you, it's not, because this thing was bent, and like there is not much pressure on this one this way, right, or that way. But this was still bent. I don't know, Kubota. I don't know. Hope insurance is gonna cover this for me, because otherwise I'm screwed. I have no money. I need my tractor. Oh well. Now you see that not everything is going smoothly here. Never mind the death of chickens, because that little weasel is whistling around. So yeah, a couple disasters here, but I guess we somehow survive all this. And I hope economy in Canada is gonna get better, so I actually have a job. Okay. On a good note, dogs are doing just fine. Hey, Goku. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. They're beautiful, and they cheer me up. Hey, Goku. All right, guys. Bye.